Hi everybody, Bob Sokoler, Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East, and you have probably heard mortgage rates have been dropping over the past month or so, and they're going to continue to drop. And if you're trying to buy a home, that is really a good thing for affordability. But there is something else, another benefit you may not have thought of. As rates come down, more sellers are going to list their homes, and we're already seeing that happen here in the Louisville area. This graph shows new listings, homes that just came onto the market. If you look at the last bar in green, those are new listings that went up in December. That may not sound like a big deal, but we haven't seen an increase since 2020. And here's my take on why this December was different. Some sellers put their plans on hold because they did not want to pay higher mortgage rates for their next house. But with rates trending down and continuing to trend down, they felt more like they're ready to make their move. It's a mindset shift. And that's going to continue as rates ease. Now, inventory is still going to be low, but you may see more fresh options for your search as rates come down this year. If you want to talk more about buying, or if you are thinking now may be the time to sell, then just give me a call on my cell phone, area code 502-376-5483. That's 376-5483. And you may know I do a radio show every Sunday morning from 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS, and we talk about real estate. We get a lot of questions in. We answer a lot of questions. You can send me a question, bob@WeSellLouisville.com, and we'll put it on the air, or just tune in. That's 8:30 to 9 a.m. Sunday morning on 840 WHAS. You can listen on good old AM radio, or you can do a search on a phone or a computer for 840 WHAS and listen to us via iHeartMedia. Thanks for watching. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East.